Hi guys, in this video we talk about Xiaomi 13 Ultra versus Honor Magic 6 Pro. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra launched on April 2023 with a price tag of $999. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $1,199. The body dimension Xiaomi 13 Ultra height 6.43 inches, width 2.94 inches, thickness 9.1 mm. The Honor Magic 6 Pro dimensions height 6.4 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight of these devices, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 227 gram and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 229 gram. And the build Xiaomi 13 Ultra front glass, equal leather back and aluminium frame. The Honor Magic 6 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both models come with dual SIM nano SIM cards fitted. The display type of the devices, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. And the screen size Xiaomi 13 Ultra 6.73 inches, the Honor Magic 6 Pro 6.8 inches. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 2K screen resolution and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 1.5K screen resolution. And the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 522 ppi density. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 453 ppi density and the both model come with 120Hz refresh rate. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 89.5% screen to body ratio and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 91.6% screen to body ratio. And the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Gorilla Glass Victus protection and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Chorino Glass protection. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 2600 nits peak of brightness and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with quad camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide with 1 inch sensor and 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel telephoto with Leica lens. And it's record 4K 24 fps video record. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 180 megapixel periscope telephoto. And it's record 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera of the device is Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera and 4K 30 fps video record. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with dual selfie camera 50 megapixel and TOF 3D biometric sensor and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The platform of the device is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Cortex X3 octa-core CPU and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Adreno 750 GPU and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Adreno 740 GPU. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Android 14 Magic OS 8 operating system. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Android 13 MIUI 14 operating system. The memory setup of the device is the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the same Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. And the internal storage is same to 56GB, 512GB and 1TB. No SD card support in both devices. Let's go to the battery. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 4700 mAh battery. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5600 mAh battery. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 80W fast charging and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 80W fast charging too. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 66W wireless charging and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 50W wireless charging and it's come with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same and the result of these devices, the Honor Magic 6 Pro got 23 points and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra got 18 points.
Comms and features.